Mga kababayan, sabay-sabay at buong puso po nating salubungin ang ating 2024 Paris Olympics athletes and medalists. Ladies and gentlemen, let us also acknowledge the arrival of our House Speaker Ferdinand Martin G. Romualdez. Kasama po ang mga ipinagmamalaki ng bansang Pilipinas. Palakpakan po natin silang lahat. Muli, bigyan po natin ng isang masigabong palakpakan ang ating 2024 Paris Olympics athletes and medalists. Maraming salamat po. Maaari na po tayong maupo.
Magsikap ng mabuti at nang guminhawa tayo. Malaki natin sa mundo at ipamalas ang bagong Pilipino at bagong Pilipinas.
Thank you so much. Once again, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Maayong buntag ka natong tanan. Magandang araw, magandang umaga. Maupay na aga haato na tanan. And again, welcome to the House of Representatives. May we invite everyone now to please stand for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem to be led by Lara Angela Mira and an invocation to be given to us by Jonna Carmile Caliboso. May we also request our photographers and videographers to please settle down. We have a special area for you. Thank you so much.
Bayang magiliw, pelas ng silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay, lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting, sa manlulupig, di ka pasisiil, sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bughaw, may dilag ang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal, ang kislap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning, ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may di magdidilim, lupa ng araw ng luwalhatit pagsinda, buhay ay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya na pag may mang-aapi ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, magandang araw po sa ating lahat. We are gathered here today in this House of Representatives where history is made and the voice of the Filipino people is heard. But today we celebrate not just any moment in history, but the remarkable achievements of our very own Filipino athletes who have brought pride and glory to our beloved Philippines in the recently concluded Paris Olympics. Muli, palakpakan po natin silang lahat. These men and women have showcased the true spirit of the Filipino, a spirit of resilience, determination, and excellence. Their dedication, sacrifice, and unwavering belief in themselves have lifted our nation to new heights on the global stage. To give us all his message of support, may we call on the chairman of the Philippine Sports Commission, Honorable Richard Bachman.
First of all, thank you very much to House Speaker Martin Romualdez and all the members of the House of the Representatives for the opportunity to have our Paris 2024 athletes appear in this historic building. The recent performance of our Philippine delegates in the Olympics made all Filipinos proud, especially our lawmakers who are dedicated to creating laws for the welfare of our nation. The 2 golds and 2 bronze medal milestones we have gained signifies the growing status of our National Sport Development Program. Our Olympic success is not the end of our collective effort. It is just the beginning of establishing these achievements as a cycle. To reach this main objective, we must strengthen all our sporting platforms and develop new programs for sports and youth. Tuloy-tuloy ang tagumpay na isang bagong Pilipinas na malakas at maliksi, walang maiiwan, at hihigitan pa ang mga bawat panalong nakamit. Patuloy tayo lumikha ng mga programang magpapaunlad sa mga atleta. Maraming salamat. Mabuhay ang mga bidang bayaning manlalaro.
Thank you so much, Philippine Sports Commission Chairman Richard Bachman. This time, let us also hear the message of support coming from the Philippine Olympic Committee. Let us all welcome POC President Honorable Abraham Bambo Tolentino. Okay, this time it is with great pride and honor that we commence the conferment of congressional medals, presentation of adopted resolutions, and awarding of cash gifts. To begin this prestigious ceremony, may we call on stage House Speaker Ferdinand Martin G. Romualdez, Committee on Accounts Chair Honorable Yeda Marie K. Romualdez, Committee on Youth and Sports Development Honorable Faustino Michael Carlos D., Senior Deputy Speaker Honorable Aurelio S. Gonzalez, Majority Leader Honorable Manix Dalipe, Senior Deputy Majority Leader Honorable Ferdinand Alexander Marcos, and Minority Leader Marcelino Libanen.
Ayos ang mga dapat ayusin. Dapat lang maging tungkulin ng bawat mamamayan dito sa atin. Ng pagbabago patungo sa pagseso.
Resolution number 241, resolution congratulating and commending the medal winners and the entire Philippine delegation for their phenomenal and historic performance during the 2024 Paris Summer Olympics. Whereas the most prestigious of all international multi-sports event, the 33rd Summer Olympics was held from July 26 to August 11, 2024 in Paris, France, and participated in by over 10,500 athletes from 206 National Olympic Committee of various countries who competed in 329 events across 32 sports and 48 disciplines. Whereas in a stunning display of exceptional strength, discipline, and perseverance, the Philippine athletes and their respective coaches and trainers led the Philippines to a spectacular 2024 Paris Summer Olympics finish, ranking first among all Southeast Asian countries and 37th all over the world. Whereas the Philippines was represented by 22 world-class athletes who competed in 9 different sporting events, namely Carlos Edrel Yulo, Alea Fenigan, Emma Malabuyo, and Levi Ruvivar for artistic gymnastics, Ira Villegas, Hergy Bakyadan, Carlo Paalam, Nesty Petesio, and Yumir Marshall for boxing, Ernest John Obiena, John Cabang Tolentino, and Lauren Hoffman for athletics, Vanessa Sarno, John Februar Ceniza, and Elrin Ann Ando for weightlifting, Joni Delgaco for rowing, Samantha Katantan for fencing, Kyla Sanchez and Gerard Hatch for swimming, Bianca Pagdanganan and Dottie Ardina for golf, and Kiyomi Watanabe for judo. Whereas the Filipino Olympians delivered a stellar performance that surpassed the 4-medal haul set during the 2020 Tokyo Olympic Games, with 2 gold medals secured by Carlos Edrel Yulo for floor exercise and vault events in the men's artistic gymnastics, 1 bronze medal won by Ira Villegas for the women's 50-kilogram boxing, and another bronze medal won by Nesty Petesio for the women's 57-kilogram boxing. Whereas after securing the country's unprecedented double gold medal win, Carlos Edrel Yulo accomplished what no other Filipino athlete has achieved as he dominated the men's artistic gymnastic events with near-perfect routines that earned him the highest spot in Philippine Olympic history. Whereas other athletes from the Philippine Olympic team also reached the medal round, namely Ernest John Obiana, who ranked 4th in men's pole vault, Bianca Pagdanganan, who ranked 4th in women's individual stroke play in golf, and Elrine Ann Ando, who ranked 6th in the world's 59-kilogram weightlifting. Whereas the rigorous mental and physical training, inestimable support, and proper motivation extended by the Philippine professional team composed of training and mental performance coaches, physicians, nutritionists, physical therapists, physiotherapists, and the rest of the sports staff were instrumental in achieving a notable Olympic performance that left an inedible mark on Philippine and Asian sports history. Whereas the House of Representatives also recognizes the efforts of the Philippine Olympic Committee, headed by Delegation President Abraham N. Tolentino, Secretary General Attorney Wharton Chan, Chef de Mission of the Philippine team to the 2024 Paris Summer Olympics, Governor John Vic Remula, and officials of the Philippine Sports Commission, in partnership with the business sector, private organizations, and individuals who provided vital and invaluable assistance that enhanced the competitiveness of and pushed the athletes to achieve such outstanding Olympic results. Whereas the steadfast determination, athletic prowess, confidence, and patriotism exhibited by the athletes and coaches of the Philippine delegation in the 2024 Paris Summer Olympics showcased the tenacity of Filipinos to prevail in the pursuit of excellence and elevated the Philippines as a dominant force with athletes of exceptional abilities in the Olympics. Whereas coinciding with the country's 100th year of participation in the Olympics in the same venue in 1924, this year's triumph stands out as the most impressive finish in the country's Olympic history, bringing immense pride and joy to the whole nation, uniting the country in celebration in earning the respect and admiration not only of few Filipinos, but also citizens of other Southeast Asian nations. Now, therefore, be it resolved by the House of Representatives to congratulate and commend the medal winners and the entire Philippine delegation for their phenomenal and historic performance during the 2024 Paris Summer Olympics. Resolved further that a copy of this resolution be furnished the Philippine Olympic Committee, the Philippine Sports Commission, and the participating national sports associations in the 2024 Paris Summer Olympics, adopted Speaker Honorable Ferdinand Martin G. Romualdez. This resolution, in consolidation with House Resolution number 1887, was adopted by the House of Representatives on August 12, 2024. Signed, Honorable Secretary General Reginald S. Velasco. To start with the awarding of the resolution, may we call in first Philippine Chairperson of the Philippine Sports Commission, Honorable Richard E. Bachman.
Thank you so much. Next, we continue to the head of
and President of Gymnastics Association, and Mr. Jared Philippine Olympic Committee.
from the Philippine Olympic Committee. We have and the head of delegation of gymnastics, Cynthia Carrion. Palakpakan po natin. From the Philippine Olympic Committee, Mr. Jared Bello. Our head of delegation for boxing, Marcos Manalo. Our head of delegation for athletics, Jasper Tanwenko. Our head of delegation for judo, Alexander Sulit. Our head of delegation for rowing, Patrick Gregorio. And for weightlifting, Monico Puentivella. Thank you so much. This time, may we also invite the coaches. Our boxing coach, Reynaldo Galido, Elmer Pamisa, and Gerson Nietes. Our gymnastics coach, Alan Aldrin Castaneda. Next, for the weightlifting, Patrick Lee, Nicolas Halawag, Antonio Agustin, and Christopher Boreros.
Magsikap ng mabuti at nang guminhawa tayo. Malaki natin sa mundo at ipamalas ang bagong Pilipino.
We have also for the rowing, Ed, Mariana, and Shukrat Ganiv. And for boxing as well, we have Donald Abnet, Ronald Chavez, and Mitchell Martinez. Thank you so much. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. May we request for a one group photo, please? Dito na lang po sa iba yung side. Thank you so much. Also, may we request on stage Ms. Leia Gonzalez, the Secretary General for Fencing.
Panahon na ng pagbabago. Dahil sa ito ay kinakailangan tayo na magtulong-tulong. Napaunlarin ang mahal.
Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po. This time, let us all now proceed to our athletes. First, we have Yumer Marshall.
Ayos ang mga dapat ayusin. Dapat lang maging ng bawat mamamayan dito sa atin.
Ng pagbabago patungo sa pag-asenso, magsikap ng mabuti at ng
May we request Mr. Marshall for a one photo?
kuminatin sa mundo at ipamalas ang bagong Pilipino at bagong Pilipinas.
Next, we have Carlo Paalam. Hergy Bakyadan.
Pagbabago at muna sa kahit anong larangan. Ang tagumpay ay
Next, we have Lauren Hoffman.
kalay o ihandog natin sa bayan.
Ulit nang napatunayan ng Pilipino ang husay at takas, kagandahan at talento. Makipagpaligsahan kahit anong oras.
Next, we have John Tolentino Cabang.
Pagbabago tunay natin ay gawing maaliwalas.
Next, we have Giovanni Delgaco.
Bunga ng bagong Pilipinas. Panahon na
Next, we have Samantha Katantan. Represented by Coach Amat. Next, we have Kyla Sanchez.
Panahon na ng pagbabago, dahil sa ito ay kinakailangan tayo na magtulong-tulong. Maging ang mahal nating bayan.
Next, we have Jared Hatch.
panahon na pagbabago at ayos ang mga dapat.
Next, Vanessa Sarno.
Dapat lang maging tungkulin ng bawat mamamayan dito sa atin.
Ng pagbabago patungo sa pag-asenso, magsikap ng mabuti at ng kuminhawa tayo. Bagong malaki natin
Next, we have Elrene Ando.
bagong Pilipino at bagong Pilipinas.
Next, we have John Februar Siniza.
Muna sa kahit anong
Next, Kiyomi Watanabe.
ay karangalan. Alay o ihandog natin sa bayan.
Ulit nang napatunayan ng Pilipino ang husay at takas, kagandahan at talento. Makipagpaligsahan kahit
And to complete, we have Mr. E.J. Obiena. Mukhang nasa interview lang daw po. Thank you so much. This time, may we call in Nesty Pitesio.
gandang bukas. Bunga ng bagong Pilipinas.
Isang malakas na palakpak naman dyan! Yay!
Panahon na ng pagbabago.
May we invite also the family members in attendance of our medalist Nasty Petition. Nandito po ba? Wala. How about the coach and friends? Coach? Ayan, halina po kayo. Let's have a one group photo. Come on up, guys.
Pagbabago at ayos ang mga dapat ayusin. Dapat lang maging tungkulin ng bawat mamamayan dito.
Yes, lahat po ng boxing coaches natin.
Ng pagbabago patungo sa pag-asenso.
Yes!
Kuminhawa tayo, bagong malaki natin sa mundo at ipamalas ang bagong Pilipino at bagong Pilipinas.
Ayan. Thank you so much. Let's continue with Ira Villegas. And of course, eto po ha, she is all the way coming from Tacloban City. Grabe! Iba talaga. And of course, Nesty is all the way from Mindanao naman. Kaya naman, kompleto Luzon, Visayas, and later on, of course, papakilala po natin. There we have it. Thank you so much. May we invite again the coaches? Coach, sama po kayo ulit. Family members, meron po ba? Nandito po ba? Ayan, balik po tayo. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po. And this time, gusto ko marinig ang sigawan ng lahat. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome the two-time gold winner, Carlos Yulo! Woo! Yulo!
Panahon na
Palakpakan po muli natin.
sa ito ay
This time, may we invite the coach, the people behind Carlos Yulo's success, and of course, the president of the PSC, sir. Please join us here. And the Philippine Gymnastics. Please join us on stage.
Ayos ang mga dapat ayusin. Dapat lang maging tungkulin.
Family members in attendance.
Mamamayan dito sa atin.
Palakpakan po muli natin.
bago patungo sa pag-asenso. Magsikap ng mabuti at nang kuminhawa tayo. Bagong malaki natin sa mundo at ipamalas ang bagong Pilipino at bagong
Okay, one more. Show us your smile, everyone. In 3. Tingin sa camera. In 3. Ayan, tingin po sa camera. In 3, 2, and 1. Isang A nga muna dyan. A! There we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give them a round of applause. Maraming salamat po.
pagbabago.
Oh, ayan, isang selfie daw muna. Nagre-request lang. Ayan. Ma'am,
Ulit nang napatunayan ng Pilipino ang husay at takas, kagandahan at talento. Makipagpaligsahan kahit anong oras. Bagong Pilipino at bagong Pilipinas.
thank you so much. We are not yet done. So may we invite now everyone to please settle down. Again, we are not yet done. May we invite everyone now to please settle down. To our House Speaker, thank you so much. You may now take your seats. This time, ladies and gentlemen, to lead us in honoring these heroes, it is with great pride and privilege that we welcome the leader of this House, a steadfast supporter of Filipino athletes and a true champion of our nation's future, mga kababayan, House Speaker Ferdinand Martin G. Romualdez.
Good morning. Good morning to all. Masaya ba kayong lahat? Okay. Just a brief message. I'd like to, of course, acknowledge the House leadership before us today, our Senior Deputy Speaker, Aurelio Dong Gonzalez, our Honorable Deputy Speakers, our House Committee on Accounts Chairperson, Yada Marie Romualdez, our Majority Leader, Jose Manix Dalipe, and the honorable members of the House Committee on Appropriations Chairman, Elizalde Co, House Youth and Sports Development Chairperson, Faustino D. III, our Philippine Sports Commission Chairperson, Richard Bachman. We are missing the Philippine Olympic President, Abam Tolentino, but I believe I'd like to acknowledge Cynthia Carreon of the Philippine Gymnastics, as she has been instrumental in the success of Kaloy, Yulo, our House officials, distinguished guest friends, ladies and gentlemen. Mga minamahal natin mga atleta, masaya tayo ngayong umaga kaya kayo po, mga atleta, our Olympians have become the inspiration sa buong bansa ng Pilipinas. Yung karangalan na dinala nyo dito sa Pilipinas dahil sa pagpartisipasyon niyo sa Olympics sa Paris at sa pagkakanyo ng mga medalya ay napakagandang oportunidad na papakita yung gilas ng Pilipinas sa buong mundo. Kami po dito sa House of Representatives, the House of the People, are honored by your victory, by your achievement. We want to thank each and every one of you, athletes, of course, the coaches and the family that all supported you. For you have made this all possible. Tuwang-tuwa ang bansang Pilipinas ngayong araw na to dahil sa dinala nyo sa ating Pilipinas. We want to take this brief but most memorable opportunity to recognize your achievements, all of you, in the sports community. You are now what they call the shining beacon. Kayo po ang nagiging ehemplo sa taong bayan na sa lahat ng kakayanan ng Pilipinas ay ito po ang resulta na pag nakasama-sama talaga tayo, we can achieve anything. Yun po ang mensahe ng ating mahal na presidente kagabi. Kaya po, kami po dito sa Kongreso, we join him in celebrating your victory, recognizing your sacrifices, recognizing your hard work, you, the athletes, the coaching community, and the families. Kami po dito sa Kongreso naman, yung hangarin po natin ay kung paano maitutulong natin ang mga atleta dito, hindi lang sa mga Olympics, but nationwide. Kaya po, we will conduct a review of our legislation, among others, Republic Act 10699, the National Athletes and Coaches Benefits Incentives Act. Kailangan amendahan natin para may bibigay ng suporta at tulong po sa lahat ng mga atleta natin. So we shall be conducting a review. I will ask our chairman, Mike D, to conduct a review on how we can further improve the legislation para support natin ang sports sa Pilipinas and to make the appropriations. We will be meeting again further with our friend Dickie Bachman from the Sports Commission and of course with Bambol of the Philippine Olympic Committee and of course the other stakeholders, the NSAs, on how we can improve the plight of our athletes. We joined the President. Yun din ang mensahe niya kagabi na magkukonsultahin natin, mag-ugnayan na lang tayo, mga atleta, the sports bodies, on how we can further improve. Kaya mismo ako, alam ko, naraman ko yung sitwasyon ng aking kababayan, si Ira Villegas, tiga Tacloban. Miski talagang wala talaga siyang mga resources noon, tingnan mo, naging medalist. Pasensya na lang, Ira, na talagang nahirapan kayo dun sa pag-uumpisa. Pero abangan. Pagbalik natin sa Tacloban, makikita nyo na kung paano makikita nyo yung appreciation at support ng mga Taclobanon sa iyo. So, we thank you again for all of this. On behalf of all the members of the House of Representatives, all our staff, employees, you bring us so much joy. You, the athletes, our Olympians, have brought us so much pride. You inspire us to work even harder for what you have achieved as global athletes. What a Filipino can do inspires us to no end. Yun lang po ang mensahe ko. Pero yung susunod magsasalita yata si Kaloy. Kaloy, magsanay ka na kasi mukhang bagong buhay mo na kasi you are now an instant celebrity. You are a globally recognized athlete. But most of all, you are a Filipino who brings so much pride to the Philippines, to the Filipinos, to the youth. Mabuhay po kayong mga atleta ng Pilipinas. Mabuhay ang sabay ng Pilipinas.
Maraming salamat po, House Speaker Ferdinand Martin G. Romualdez. This time, may we invite again House Speaker Martin Romualdez to be on the center stage, together with our Committee on Accounts Chair, Congresswoman Yeda Marie Romualdez, to award the cash incentive for our 2 gold medalists, Carlos Yulo, amounting to 6 million pesos.
Dahil sa ito ay kinakailangan tayo na
Again, may we invite on stage House Speaker Ferdinand Martin Romualdez and Committee on Accounts Chair, Congresswoman Yeda Marie Romualdez, together with our gold medalist, Carlos Yulo.
Panahon na magbabago at iayos ang mga dapat ayusin. Dapat lang maging tungkulin ng bawat mamamayan dito sa atin.
gawin ng pagbabago patungo sa
Mukhang naabot na po pala ang 6 million. Photo op na lang. But wait, there's more. Ayan Aside from the 6 million pesos, ang lahat po ng mga House members ay nagbigay po ng cash gift para sa ating gold medalists. And this is amounting to 8,010,000 pesos. May we invite all our House members in attendance for a one big group photo. Please join us. Maraming salamat po sa ating mga house members. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po. You may now take back to your seats because this time, let us hear a response from all the athletes. On behalf of all the athletes, ating pong pakinggan ang ating Olympic gold medalist, we would like now to acknowledge the presence of EJ Obiena. Hi, sir. Again, may we invite everyone now to please settle down and let us hear the message on behalf of all the athletes. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome the Olympic gold medalist, Mr. Carlos Yulo.
Okay na po. Hello po. Maraming salamat po sa lahat po na nagdasal po sa amin at sumuporta. Nagpuyat po para mapanood po yung mga competitions namin at ma-appreciate po yung hard works and yung lahat ng paghihirap po namin na ma-perform po ng maayos yung mga performance po namin. Maraming salamat po sa lahat po. God bless us all po. Ang panalo po namin ay panalo po nating lahat. Salamat po.
Maraming salamat po, Mr. Carlos Yulo. Palakpakan po muli natin. Thank you so much. This time, may we again invite on stage, apologies, our House Speaker, Martin Romualdez, and our Committee on Accounts Chair, Congresswoman Yeda Romualdez, to award the additional cash incentive for our 2 bronze medalists. Muli po, ang ating pong mga House members ay nagkaroon po ng, meron pong naipon na pera para po regalo sa ating mga bronze medalists kung saan each of them will receive 2.5 million pesos each mula po sa ating mga House members. So may we invite Ira Villegas and Nesty Pitesio, please. And of course, our all House members in attendance for a one big group photo. Okay, let's have a quick photo now. Palakpakan po natin sila, mga kababayan. And again, on behalf of the Filipino people and the entire House of Representatives, we extend our deepest gratitude to our Olympic medalists. You have inspired a nation, and for that, we honor you not only with medals, but with our everlasting respect and admiration. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. And let us continue to support and uplift our athletes as they strive for greater heights. Once again, congratulations to our Olympic medalists, and mabuhay ang mga atletang Pilipino!
Panahon na magbabago at iayos ang mga dapat ayusin.
May we invite now all our athletes, coaches, guests. Please enjoy our lunch. Lunch is now to be served.
Ng pagbabago patungo sa pag-asenso, magsikap ng mabuti at nang kuminhawa tayo.